Redmond.
Yes, I am.
All right, this is case number 21, CR 119, State of Ohio versus Lisa L. Redmond. Redmond, you were indicted by the grand jury back on August 3rd on a charge of receiving stolen property. And it alleges that on or about June 20th of this year in this county, you received, retained, or disposed of a motor vehicle that belonged to a Ronald Crutcher that you knew or had reasonable cause to believe had been obtained for commission of theft offense. So that is a charge of receiving stolen property, which is a 4-3 felony, which if convicted, carries a possible sentence of between 6 and 18 months and a fine of imprisonment and a fine of $5,000. Now, you're entitled to have an attorney in this matter. If you can't afford to hire one, the court will appoint one for you. I see you did fill out a form here. Indicates you're on SSD, is that correct?
Yes, I worked at the airport for 20 years. I worked 30 years for it.
What is it, a physical disability, injury or something?
Yeah, back in that.
All right.
I'm working on it.
All right, the court then will find that you are entitled to appointed counsel. As I believe, was this Hacker represent you at the preliminary hearing on this case?
No, she didn't do nothing over there. I don't know what they were doing. They were all
Yeah, I'll
in the
appoint
head.
attorney Jacob Wagner of Phillipsville to represent you and enter a not guilty plea on your behalf in his absence. Now we will set a pre-trial on this case for September 22nd at 2:15 p.m. and I'll be here. Final pre-trial will be October the 20th at 2:15. Also here. And then the trial by jury will be set for November the 17th at 8 a.m. And that will be in this court. Now, you will be released on your own recognizance, which is your promise to appear. I will tell you that since you didn't appear yesterday, the court ordered to keep you as a warrant issue for your arrest. I just instructed my assistant there to notify the sheriff about that, just when you call, and not to serve on you, not to arrest you. But if you fail your own recognizance, you're going to sign that downstairs at the clerk's office after we're done here, and that's your promise to appear. If you don't appear, the bail's going to give you your dates and time on a piece of paper. You're going to sign it. You'll have a copy of it so you can get those in your counter. And if you don't appear as required, either then or any other court date set, then you could be charged with a felony and failure to appear and if convicted, sentenced on that no matter what happens in this case. Now, there'll be a deposit required to be paid within 30 days. You can make payment arrangements with that with the clerk of $171. That's to cover certain statutorily required fees in this every other case. You're also going to be under pre-trial supervision of probation department 117 East Main Street. You know where that's located, down across from the Flyway? East Main Street here?
Yeah.
All right. You report to them immediately after court. Then you'll be required to report to them once a week, 4 weeks after that as they determine. Under the random drug testing they may order, provide phone numbers for home self-employer. Not have any contact with the alleged victim, Mr. Crutcher.
He lives right there. He's got his car right there, right there in the red barn. He's got his car. I didn't think it.
Does he live there with you?
No, he lived with him. His first wife was there. He lived in another room. He's
You're not
got
in
his
the
car.
same household.
Huh?
You're not living together.
No.
Right, well,
No.
I'm not telling you, I'm just saying that.
He's got his car. I didn't see it. None of it ever happened.
Ma'am, that's not what we're here for. I'm just telling you, you're not having any contact with him. I understand you live close to him, so that's fine. Just don't talk to him, avoid him. If he goes outside, you stay inside, and then, and that way you don't have any contact with him. Don't have any contact
I
with him.
need to get to Wilmington with my dad.
Ma'am, don't interrupt me. You need to listen and not talk, okay? I'll ask you if you have anything to say at the end. All right, now, if recommended by probation, you'll be evaluated for substance abuse or mental health issues. Make treatments indicated, enroll in and follow that during the pendency of this action. And you'll also be under house arrest at your residence, meaning you have to be there at all times unless you're working, or going to and from work, you have any medical appointments, if you have any court hearings in this or any other case, appointment with your attorney, probation officer, in this or any other case. You can go to any kind of educational programming, GED, college classes, anything like that, rehabilitation classes, anything of that nature. You can also go to church services and you can conduct your business affairs, but you have to go there directly and back, and you will need to notify the probation department of what that is, and they'll explain to you how that works. So as soon as you get it done, after you sign your bond downstairs, you go down there to the probation department and they'll
My
go
bond,
that with you. Pardon me?
my bond.
Your OR bond, your own recognizance. I explained to you that that's your promise to appear. You're going to sign a paper that says you're going to appear on those days that I set for your appearance.
Well, the cell phone out there said the 24th, or I'd have been here for it. And then I asked like 10 people out there, just my truck that day.
You need to understand something. You don't talk unless I ask you a question, all right? Okay? I don't want you to get the wrong impression that this is TV. This ain't TV.
It ain't TV, I know it ain't TV.
Hey, what did I just say? I said do not speak. All right? I'll ask you if you have any questions here in a minute. So, you're going to go downstairs, you're going to sign your own recognizance bond. The bailiff's going to have a form for you to sign where you're going to get your dates and times so you don't forget those. Then you're going to go downstairs, sign that. Then you're going to go down to the probation department immediately. And if you don't comply with the terms of your bond and your supervision, then the court will issue a warrant for your arrest and will hold you in custody until further order. Now, do you have any questions, ma'am?
Yeah, how do I get my truck out of Wilson's towing?
I have no clue. I mean, you have any questions about what I just explained to you? We're not here to try the case today.
Well, I
You
will
should
just-
talk to your attorney about that.
Okay, I'll talk to my attorney, but I got 35 days of jail done, and I've not been guilty of one charge in here, it's because the cops confused.
Okay, again, I'll answer questions, but I'm not gonna listen to you talk about the case, because that's why we have a court hearing.
Well,
That's why you have an attorney.
Well, what happens when the
Man, if you interrupt me one more time, you'll be getting another 10 days in jail to add to that 36. That'll make it even 46, so be quiet. Listen to what I say, all right? I'm not gonna ask you to add more questions, because the only thing that could do is make you make another mistake, and I don't really wanna put you in jail. So, see the bailiff, he'll tell you what to do.
Please rise. Here, ma'am, I got your assignment notice here. Here you go.
Yeah.
I just want to get her out of here so she can go to jail. I didn't have to. Nope, Justin Osborne. Maybe it's down there and they just didn't.
You didn't see it.
At the very end. Drop it. This way.
Yeah, I feel the same way. Okay, it's case number 19 CR 157 and 19 CR 242. Dave Ohio versus Justin Noah Osborne. Are you Justin Noah Osborne?
Yes, sir.
All right, the record reflects Mr. Osborne was placed on community control on March 4, 2020 in both cases. In case number 19 CR 157 for ag possession of meth, a 53 felony, and in 19 CR 242 for failure to appear, a 4th-degree felony. Now, the court received a notification just a little while ago, Mr. Osborne, alleging that you have failed to comply with 2 conditions of the order, and actually, I guess, an additional one issued on 14th of October of 2020, adding additional conditions. Rule 1 alleges that on July 27, 2021, you were convicted of aggravated possession of drugs out of Clinton County. And Rule 7 alleges that on or before July 27, 2021, you consumed meth, amphetamines, and THC at Clinton County Probation Department. And on or before August 11, 2021, you failed for fentanyl at Clinton County Probation Department. Now, in the event that it's found that you have failed to comply with these conditions, one of 3 things can happen. I can continue community control under the same conditions. I can continue with additional conditions I think are appropriate, including extending them to up to 5 years. And the third and the most serious is that I can revoke your community control and sentence you to prison for the aggravated possession of methamphetamine to 12 months in prison, fine you $2,500, and for the failure to appear to 18 months and fine you $5,000. And the sentences could be ordered to be served consecutively, so it could be up to 30 months in prison. Now, you're entitled to have a hearing in this matter, in which the state is required to produce evidence that proves to the court that you have committed these violations. You have a right to have a reasonable period of time to prepare for the hearing. Usually that's about 2 weeks, 10 days to 2 weeks. You also have the right to have subpoenas issued, bring witnesses to testify for you, the same as the state. You also have a right to have an attorney to represent you, to assist you in preparing for the hearing and defending in the hearing, subpoenaing witnesses, and advise you and so forth. Now, I see you have filled out a financial disclosure form, so you are requesting that the court appoint counsel for you. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. I believe Mr. Kirk was your attorney before, wasn't he?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'll appoint Mr. Kirk to represent you in this matter. We'll set this for hearing on looks like September the 22nd at 1 p.m. You'll be held in custody until that time. You have any questions, Mr. Osborne?
No, sir.
All right,